Hello again, everyone. So this is the main interface of Figma. Once you install it and you open it, this is what you see in the desktop or Mac version when you install it. Okay. Uh, we call this landing page because as you can see here, we have the recent projects if we did it before. We have some resources from the community. They are free. You can use them. Uh, you can freely download them and use in any projects that you want. But mainly what I want to explain is the panel in the left of your screen. So in here we have something called the team. Like in here, as you can see, it says Caro's team, which it means inside each team we have a landing page, which this landing page includes our projects. Okay, so for example, if I go ahead and create a project, as you can see, follow my mouse cursor at the top right corner here. We have a design, we have Figma Jam, we have slides, we have boss. So the design is where you start designing your programs, applications, websites. The Figma Jam is where you collaborate with your team. For example, when you open a Figma Jam, you create charts, you create a project overview, you create the project timeline, and everyone in your team can see that as a progress. Okay, it's kind of like the Notion app. It's a management space in Figma, inside Figma. The other one is slides, uh, which is perfect. I like it. It helps us to create the presentations, beautiful presentations with beautiful animations. So I really, really highly recommend you to try slides and see if it's kind of like uh, best for you to use it instead of PowerPoint or Keynote. So let's open the design here. So as you can see, this is our first project. So this is where we create website, we create mobile app, we create a desktop app, anything as a prototype and design. But I'm not starting talking about this before explaining the theme. If I go back by clicking on this homepage, as you can see, my project right now comes here as a recently viewed. So each team that you have, you can have numerous teams based on the plan you have. These projects can be varied. So for example, sometimes in one of your team you have two projects which is shared with some other collaborators and designers. But for example, this one is my personal one, okay? And the only me I can see these projects. But inside of this project, if I double click, it brings me to the place that I can start or continue the designs that I created before. So that's what we call team. So the team, for example, is a home, is a house, and inside that house we have different rooms, which in here, the rooms, we can kind of like use it as a metaphor for each project we open it. I hope that kind of like helps you to clearly understand it. So the other thing that I wanted to talk about is the community. So the Figma community is perfect because it gives you a lot of free content that you may want to use them. As you can see, it says recommended resource for community. If you see more resources, click on this, it brings you to the Figma community. So it's kind of like plugins, I don't know, websites, whiteboards, presentations, you can use them. And that's all of them, they are really, really amazing to use. So please look at them and see how they work. Thank you.